4 golden rules that you must follow as a beginner that want to start stock market. Number 1 is set realistic goals. You are going to set goals that you know that you can meet up with. Don't set goals like I want to make 1 million naira profit in the stock market in the next 1 month or 2 months. No, that's not realistic. You are going to set goals like, oh, I have $25 that I want to start my stock market business with. How am I going to share this money? Okay, let me invest in so and so stock, and so and so stock, and so and so stock, based on your knowledge about the stock market and about the stocks that you want to invest in. Number 2 is get yourself educated. The way you are studying to be educated in other courses like we studied in the university is the same way you pay for knowledge for stock market. If it means for you to pay, you have to pay to get the knowledge about stock market so that you will not waste your money. Now, in the process of getting this knowledge, you will learn which method works for you, which stocks works for you, what are the experience of your coaches. Your coach will explain to you. Like someone like me now, if you come to me for knowledge about stock market, after you've paid, after you have we have started, I will share my experiences with you about how I lost money, about how I gained money, about the stocks that gave me a lot of profit, about the stocks that made me go backward in the market. So these are things that your coaches will tell you. If you need knowledge about stock market, kindly indicate interest in this in the comment section, or you chat me privately in my DM. Number 3 is do not put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify. You need to diversify your portfolio. Because a particular stock is doing very well now does not mean that you should put all your money in that particular stock. Anything can happen. The company may even fold up after some time. So what happens to your money that is there? So you diversify your portfolio. You can put $10 here, $5 here, $20 here, so that if one company falls off, the other ones that you have diversified, you have put your money into, will give you the profit that will make you happy at the end of the day. Number 4 is start small. Because you have won one big lottery now does not mean that you should go and pack all the millions of naira and put it in the stock market because they say stock market is giving people money. That's wrong. You have to start small so that you develop your experience, you develop the knowledge that you have learned gradually, and then you will not lose your money. If you have 1 million that you want to invest in stock market, first start with putting like 200,000 first, 200,000 naira there first, or $200,000 depending on the currency that you want to invest in. So when you put that kind of money, you monitor the growth, you monitor the way the market is reacting before you put in more money. If it's worth putting in more money, you put in more money. If it means that you are going to invest in more of dividend stock, you invest in more of dividend stock. But at the end of the day, you will be more and more knowledgeable about how those things work and what are the things that does not work for you. If you have watched this video to this point, kindly subscribe to this channel, as I will be bringing you more important information and updates about stock market. Bye.